Welcome to TrueHost Academy, where we make tech simple. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to reset your WordPress password. If you're locked out of your site or simply need to update your credentials, we've got you covered. First, go to your WordPress login page. This is usually found by adding /wp-admin or /wp-login, PHP to your site's URL. Click on the Lost Your Password link located below the login fields. On the next page, you'll need to enter either your username or email address associated with your WordPress account. Then click Get New Password. You will receive an email to your inbox. So let's look at our inbox, and here you can see we have got mail to reset our password. Now let's open this mail. So to set a new password to your site, just click this link and it will take you to this page. New password. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Enter your new password twice for confirmation. Make sure it's strong and secure. After entering your new password, click Save Password. You'll see a confirmation message that your password has been reset. Now you can log in with your new credentials. Just return to the login page and enter your username and new password. And that's it. You've successfully reset your WordPress password. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.